Hi guys. Let's see how to enable nearby sharing in Windows 10 computer. Nearby sharing is included only with the latest builds of Windows 10. If you don't see the option on your PC, you must install Windows updates. To enable nearby sharing, first search nearby sharing. Then you have to enable nearby sharing option. And you also can enable share across devices tool. That's one method of enabling nearby sharing. In other method, all you need to do is go to Notification Center. And select on nearby sharing icon. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.